Welcome back to this video. If you use Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply bookmark any web page in Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome. Then after you open up your Chrome, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dot right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to toolbar shortcuts. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to add to bookmark. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go back to the home page. Now from the point right here, you can simply visit any website. So what we want to do right here is to click on search or type URL right here. So I'm going to click on here. So I will simply go to a website. I'm going to simply go to this particular website right here. I'm going to simply click on the site. Now you have your bookmark from the top right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you have it at the bottom right here, save in mobile bookmarks. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here and you have it right here. Now for you to access all your bookmark on your Chrome browser, what we need to do is to simply click on this three dot right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on bookmarks. So here we go. You have your bookmark site right here. You can simply click on here and it will take you back to the site, same home page. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply bookmark any website on your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.